What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. We do test drives, we go out and chase classic cars, and we sell classic cars. Let's go for a drive. This is our test drive video. Let's go.
All right, guys, check it out. We are going on a test drive in the 71 Deville. Let's get started. Goes into gear good. So far, so good. Stops good. See how she drives. Thing handles the road very well. It is just gliding right now on the road. This thing drives like a boat. This is a cruiser. Super sensitive steering. I barely touch it and it's already moving. The fuel gauge does work. I put a full tank of gas in it. The speedometer does work. The shifting also does work. It is lined up perfectly. On it a little bit. Right now my foot is on the floor. Right now I'm going about 60 and this thing just floats. Look at the steering wheel. This thing drives great. I'm gonna hit like kind of a dead stop here. Yeah, it stops very well. Very comfortable driving. The odometer does work. This seems to work. The AC is blowing. I hear it blowing. It is blowing. Slow down here, school zone. Again, very sensitive steering. Very responsive, I should say. Wipers work. Turn signals do work as well from the inside. Once we get off, I will show you guys from the outside. We're taking it right up here. Let's see if the right turn signal works. The right turn signal does work from the inside. Coming to a hard stop here. Back this in. Goes into gear very good. All right, Jake, you want to hit the turn signals for us real quick? All right, hit the left one. Hit the lights. Okay, the lights do work. Let's check the back. Do the turn signals again. Okay. Right turn signal. Left turn signal. Hit the brakes. Brake lights both work. There you guys go. Up for sale now. 71 Cadillac sedan Deville. Runs and drives like a dream. Contact us at bobevansclassics.com. Instagram, Bob Evans Classics, 215-801-9493, or my cell, 267-623-7125. Thank you.